Hello everybody and welcome back to more of the 2002 Pascal paper. We're up to question number 3. Hopefully you've had a chance to try it out for yourself. And what does question number 3 say? If x plus 2 equals 10 and y minus 1 equals 6, then the numerical value of x plus y is... Okay. So we have one equation in x and one equation in y. These are our unknown variables. So what we could do is we could just solve for them. Okay? We can solve this equation and figure out what is x. What do I have to add with 2 to get 10? You should be able to do that one in your head. It's 8. And likewise, should be able to figure out that y is going to be 7, but let's write it down. Let's write out our calculations. So our first equation, x plus 2 is equal to 10. Well, if we want to figure out what x is, we need to get him all by himself on one side. So what do? Well, we have this pesky plus 2 here. Let's get rid of it by subtracting 2. But in order to keep this equal sign here, whatever I do to one side, I've got to do to the other side. So if it's an equal sign, if you do the same thing to both sides, it'll still be equal. So now this 2 and this 2, they cancel each other out. So plus 2 and minus 2. That's why we chose to subtract off 2. So we're left with x, and 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay. Our second equation, y minus 1 is equal to 6. Well, now we want to get rid of this minus 1. We just want y by himself. So we add on 1. But whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. Okay. Now the minus 1 and the plus 1, they cancel out. And we're left with y equals 6 plus 1. That's 7. Now, what does our question ask us? It asks us, well, what's x plus y? Well, we know what x is, and we know what y is. So we plug them in. We come up with our final answer of 15. All right, so B, 15, and that's going to be the answer that we bubble in if we're writing this contest. For real. Okay. So that does it for question 3. Join me in the next video for question number 4.